Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the collector's challenge in Heartopia. So, in this modular street event week 3, there is a festival collector's challenge like this. That in here you must complete the collector's box that located in front of your house like this. You must collect the requested items on this collector challenge box. For example, you must submit the food or submit the fish, insect, bird, and then flower or another gardening plants like this. Like for example, in here I want to submit the insect. You must submit 5 insect like this, and after that just simply tap on submit. And just like that, in every progress you will get the rewards like this. You will get the rewards at the 30, 60 and 100% progress like this. So make sure just complete all the requested items. After that you will get these rewards like this. Rewards, you will get the festival tokens that you can use it to buy event items in festival store. Just claim the rewards, and just like that, how to complete the festival collectors challenge in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.